Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Lightworks tutorial how to crop video. So as example, I will import video and I will choose this video, click import. Now you can move video into track. Next, if you want to crop this video, you can right click, select the video, right click and then choose add. Now you can click on transform. After it, you can choose sign crop one. So it'll be show for the DPI cropping option in it. You can click and then you can crop in the left option in the top, increase and increase like this in the right and then in the bottom. If you done, you can click outside. Okay, that's it for basic Lightworks tutorial how to crop a video. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.